Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm gonna go over and cover the three pitfalls to avoid when you're starting out with your agency or SMMA business, and in general, just any business as well, right? And these are the three main things or traits which I have noticed among beginner agency owners, which makes them fail essentially. I don't believe in failing, but that's what makes them stop, or that's what keeps them away from achieving the desired results they want to achieve, like hitting the 10K mark, hitting the 20K mark, just like that, right? So number one is cause and effect. Okay, I see a lot of agency owners, and this is also partly the mistake of some of like the industry influencers and gurus, where they promote like manifestation, promote like thinking about the goals. While I do believe you need to think of your goals, and yes, when you think of your goals, the actions you take are influenced as well. But if you're only thinking and if you're only hoping for success, success does not happen. People feel like they're entitled towards success. Especially, I've seen this in this industry, right? People think, oh, we deserve this. We deserve to be running like a six-figure agency. We deserve to be doing this. We deserve this. I deserve a penthouse, right? No, you don't deserve it. You can never hope for something or just assume that you deserve something. You have to work for it at the end of the day. Okay, you're in complete control of the results you can achieve and you becoming successful. So if you fail, it's your fault at the end of the day. You cannot go around blaming other people. You can't play the victim card as well. It'll be you. If you want to be successful, you need to think that you are the only sole responsible person for your success or failure in your business journey, or just your life journey in general. Okay, like even in terms of like monetary success, if that's the first goal, if you're looking for financial freedom, if you're working towards financial freedom, right? Monetary success is a result of like fast, decisive and good execution. Okay, you need to take quick actions. You need to be super clear with the decisions you make, and hopefully make the correct decisions by learning from your mistakes. Okay, and execute. You can't just think of something and sit around. Oh, hey, I have figured out my niche, I have everything figured out, I'll start reaching out to clients in like a month. No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. You need to be very immediate with your actions, because that's the only way you can scale. Because time is running out, which leads me to like my second point. Time, the only thing which is against you at this point in your race towards like financial freedom or building a business or agency, is time. Okay, like if you stay consistent at what you're doing and just keep on taking actions, become obsessed with getting good at your skill sets. Okay, become obsessed with being better and learning and improvising by being a good business owner. Like money flows naturally. Okay, you do not need to chase money at that point. Money comes naturally once you have your time element figured out, once you're consistent and you're constantly improving. If you're just consistent and you're not improving as well, that does not work. You need both in the hand, right? And lastly, the third last thing which I would say is regret. This is something everyone in this industry, especially nowadays, face a lot. Where like everyone's starting out. Let's say you're starting out with an agency, and you see these big influencers doing like 50K, 60K, 100K per month, even $1 million per month, right? With their businesses, and you feel like, oh, like, hey, I should have started earlier. Now I'm missing out. No, and that's a common mistake which happens with everyone. Even I feel the same sometimes, right? And I know at this point I'm mature enough to understand that that thought is useless. It does not help me. Like thinking that you wish that you could have started earlier in your journey, and you would have been at X point or Y point, or have your desired result earlier, won't help you. Okay, it's never too late to start, it's never too early as well. It really completely depends on just crafting your skills, improving your skills and having the skills needed. Okay, and then you will reach the point. So how quick you achieve your perfection and skill set, how quick you go about your execution would result in you reaching your goals. You can't just wish, or you can't repent as well that, hey, I should have started earlier. Because like one thing which people don't understand anyways is that the market changes always, right? People who are at the top are bound to be replaced by someone else because the market keeps on changing. Old strategies might not work with new markets, new platforms. So you can become an expert with the new platforms which the other people, the ones before you, did not get a chance to, right? So you can anyways replace them. And that's why I say it's never too late to start. So just go on and take action. Do not worry about it. So that's basically the three things which I see in terms of the common traits. Again, to repeat, number one is just cause and effect. You can't just hope for success. You need to work for it. The amount of inputs you put in would result in the amount of outputs you get as well. Okay? If you do not put any inputs, you won't get any results. Number two is time, right? The only thing against you is time. So just be consistent and constantly improve and be quick with your execution, decision making, and everything else. Okay, and lastly, number three, regret. Don't repent on like you not starting earlier. This happens with everyone. I face the same as well on a day-to-day basis. Hey, I should have started earlier. I should have done it 2 years earlier. No, like just understand whenever you're starting at the right point. Okay, some people start late, some people start early, and everyone's timeline is different. Jeff Bezos was, I believe, like plus 30 plus 13 30 35 in age when he started Amazon. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then there you have people like Patrick Collison, like the founders of Stripe, even like Mark Zuckerberg, who started super early, right? I know a couple of the founders who made it big in their 40s 50s, right? So everyone's timeline is different. Don't worry about it. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope this makes sense. Hope this gives you some clarity in your business journey, agency journey, and just keep on killing it. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.